This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Brad Hiltz. Number 1 selling community. Upgrades galore on a lake location west/fountain. Open floor plan west 9 ceilings, a front mudroom closet, wide plank upgraded flooring first floor. Gourmet kitchen features 42 raised panel white cabinets, recessed lighting and pendant lighting, upgraded quartz countertop, glass subway tile backsplash, upgraded stainless steel appliance package west gas stove. 3 bedrooms are upstairs west/upgraded padded carpet and generous walk-in closet west/built-ins. Second level laundry room west/sink and shelving. Eastern exposure west/ample natural light, landscaped backyard, patio overlooking the lake. Enjoy benefits of new construction plus owner's add-ons, wood blinds, garage door opener, neutral paint colors and light fixtures. Community 24 hours gym, clubhouse, pool, playground, basketball court and walk.